What up, guys? I go by the name Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. I have been trading the Forex market for over 5 years, and today I'll be showing you a very easy trading strategy that beginners can use to make profits consistently. And with that being said, I'm going to be going short on the Euro Yen, as you can see, and I'm going to place my take profit on a very specific price. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, everything looks good, and nobody on YouTube is doing what I am doing right now. Nobody is trading on a live account in real time and actually proving to people that money can be made trading consistently. So how can you succeed in a market where 95% of the individuals involved are total failures? The first mistake that most traders make is learning from mentors that cannot put their money where their mouth is. It is absolutely insane for me to show you an idea or concept that allegedly works on TradingView and not actually go ahead and prove that my teachings can actually make you money on a live account. And if there's one thing I will always do here on the channel, is that I will always trade live, guys. You can watch previous videos. You've seen me make profits, thousands of dollars on small accounts, on big accounts. I will always trade live because I am confident about how I trade. I am confident about my trading style because it has helped me make money countless times. And this is very easy. If I can do this, guys, anybody can do it, because trading is actually very easy, but you guys always choose to complicate it. And how do you complicate it? You choose to follow the crowd. The crowd is trading support and resistance. The crowd is trading supply and demand, looking for points of interest and all those things. They do not work, and they will not make you profits consistently regardless of your risk to reward ratio. So yes, trading is actually very easy, but you guys always complicate it with your ridiculous retail trading methods. Boom, take profit hit, guys, in less than 3 minutes. And in less than 3 minutes, guys, I was able to leave the market with, close to $100. The second thing I would like to mention is that trading is not a game for the faint of heart. You have to be willing to pay the ultimate price mentally, emotionally, and financially. So yes, you have to be willing to make sacrifices. Anything and everything it takes to get you to the next level is what you're supposed to be doing. So going through my account history, you can see that this strategy is consistent, and you can go back to previous videos and figure out how I trade, put the pieces of the puzzle together, and incorporate this trading strategy with your everyday trading and make money. This is really easy. A 5-year-old can figure this out. All you have to do is watch the videos, understand them, and figure it out. Or you can visit the website, purchase your membership, and get the course and start making money with the team. How much? Over close to $100 made in less than 3 minutes. Once again, it's a very, very basic day. It's a very, very regular day here at the academy. Profit is always being made. Clinton signing out from Dubai. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get to see more videos like this and actually learn how to trade like the banks, hedge funds, insurance companies, and take your trading game to the next level. Hey guys, trade safely.